Here's my bender, and he's in for some new implants thanks to my husband. Ingenious design. So I will remove the soles of his feet. You can see me cut away the stitching. I have to do very carefully because you don't want the stitching, or you don't want the scissors to mark anything that I painted there. There we go, high speed, much better. The implants are made from car leaf sprints and 10mm rebar. So he drilled holes in the leaf sprints and banged the rebars in. They were cut to length. I gave him the length that I needed, banged them in. He painted them, and he actually gave them a spray with anti-rust because we live by the beach. Everything's got to have anti-rust on them. But he was fine. He didn't fall over. He would just naturally bend every now and then. These are what he made for me. I have to cut little triangle slots in the tops of the bottoms of his feet. That was not too hard. That was pretty easy. Then I can poke the rebar right through. That goes right up to the top of his legs. And they're reasonably heavy as well. So it's really good. I have to turn them round so that it's front and back. And then you'll see I'll stitch them on. That is a long, oh my goodness, I had to actually split the thread. That's what I did because I couldn't find the right colour thread when I was making them. So I bought a thread and had to split it. That takes time. So here I am splitting it, ready to sew, sewing the feet back on. That's a bit of a process in itself, but not too bad. I did really enjoy making him. When I did make him, it was a whole lot of firsts for me. It's first cutting out an entire design using a knife and not scissors. He's made from 2.5mm leather, and I actually spray painted him 4 times to get the colour that I wanted. So he's not dyed, he's been spray painted. So much fun making him. Oh my goodness. But I have, over the time that I've had him on the shelf, I marked his door, so I had to actually replace his door, cut it out again. I did have to spray paint it again, and it worked fine. Came out and it looked exactly the same colour. So I'm really pleased that you can actually do repairs on these things and nobody can tell. Here we go, just about finishing. This is how slow the stitching is. So I don't mark anything, but I still get it nice and tight, and it doesn't look like that it's been repaired, undone, redone. So he comes out beautiful. I'm just about finished, and I've just got a couple more stitches here. He stands tall as well, and you can actually fit small bottles of beer inside his tummy, inside the opening, his door. But yeah, fixing it was a priority because I haven't got a low price on him on my website, and after inquiries I just had to do something. So finishing off here, clip the thread, burn the ends very gently so hardly anything shows. And then you'll see him standing up. So here he is standing up on an uneven surface, and I give him a poke. Just bends backwards and forwards. Another poke. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. Hubby saved the day again. Thrilled with the finish.